Dr. Sandoval, I was trying to work on this one, but I got a little stuck with the units. The problem says we have 0.32 liters D5W IV to infuse in 216 minutes by infusion pump, and it's asking for the IV flow rate in milliliters per hour. I converted the volume to 320 milliliters, but then when I divided 320 milliliters by 216 minutes, I got about 1.48 milliliters per hour, and I'm not sure if that's right because of the minutes.
I can see why this one's giving you trouble, Priya. The conversion of time units is a common spot where the whole calculation can shift. It's great that you've already started by converting the volume to milliliters. To make sure we're on the right track, let's look at the given information and what the problem is asking for. We have a volume of 0.32 liters to be infused over 216 minutes, and we need the final rate in milliliters per hour. What's the next unit conversion we need to make to get our time into hours?
Oh, right. So I need to convert the 216 minutes into hours first. I think I'd divide 216 minutes by 60 minutes per hour to get the time in hours. So 216 divided by 60 is 3.6 hours. Is that the next step?
Yes, that's precisely the next step, Priya. You've correctly converted 216 minutes into 3.6 hours. It's crucial that our time unit matches what the problem is asking for, which is hours. Now that we have our total volume in milliliters and our total time in hours, how would you go about calculating the IV flow rate in milliliters per hour?
Okay, so I have 3.6 hours and 320 milliliters. For the rate in milliliters per hour, I should divide the hours by the milliliters, right? So 3.6 hours divided by 320 milliliters would be about 0.01125 hours per milliliter. Does that sound like the right way to set it up?
You've got the correct values for volume and time, Priya, but let's re-examine the setup for calculating the flow rate. You're aiming for milliliters per hour, which means milliliters in the numerator and hours in the denominator. When you divide hours by milliliters, your resulting unit is hours per milliliter. Can you adjust your setup to make sure the units come out as milliliters per hour?
You're right. I completely flipped that around. My brain always does that. If I want milliliters per hour, then I need to divide 320 milliliters by 3.6 hours. So, 320 divided by 3.6 would be about 88.89 milliliters per hour. Is that the correct way to calculate it then?
That's exactly right, Priya. You've correctly identified that to get a rate in milliliters per hour, you divide the total volume in milliliters by the total time in hours. So 320 milliliters divided by 3.6 hours is indeed 88.89 milliliters per hour. Congratulations, you've solved the problem.
Yes, thank goodness I finally got it right. That unit conversion really threw me off. I always get the setup backwards. Thank you so much, Dr. Sandoval. I feel much better about this now.